Let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like she's waiting for you to make a move, but you're just not sure if you're reading her signals right? Maybe it's the way she always finds reasons to be alone with you, notices the tiniest details about you, or casually drops hints about doing something together. Here's the thing. She's not going to say it outright, but she's definitely hoping you'll figure it out. The truth is, if you miss these signs, you could leave her wondering whether you're even interested. But once you know what to look for, it's crystal clear. She's giving you the green light. And there's one sign that most guys completely overlook, even though it's the biggest clue she's ready for you to step up. So, stick around, because today, we're diving into 10 signs she's practically begging you to ask her out. And trust me, sign #9 might just blow your mind. It's one most guys never notice. Sign number 1, she creates opportunities for alone time. You're at a friend's barbecue, and she casually says, "Let's grab a seat over there, it's quieter." Or you're at the gym, and after the workout, she lingers by the water cooler saying, "You always seem to know the best stretches. Got any tips for me?" These moments aren't random. When a woman is interested, she'll subtly carve out moments to be alone with you. This is her way of signaling, "I want to spend more time with you," without actually saying it. And guess what? It's up to you to make that connection count. Sign number 2, she playfully challenges you. Picture this. You're at a golf range and she smirks, "Bet I can outdrive you." Or during coffee, she teases, "You totally look like the kind of guy who still listens to CDs." These playful challenges are her way of testing your confidence. She's creating a fun, flirty vibe to see how you handle yourself. The best way to respond? Keep it confident and lighthearted. Say something like, "Careful, you might regret underestimating me." That little bit of banter, it's what builds attraction. Sign number 3, she mentions future adventures. You're chatting and she says, "I've always wanted to try paddleboarding. Have you?" Or maybe she adds, "You should totally join me on a wine tour sometime. It's so much fun." These aren't just random comments. She's dropping hints, hoping you'll take the lead and turn those ideas into real plans. So when she says something like that, don't let it slide. Respond with confidence. "Let's do it. How about this weekend?" Boom! You just turned her hint into a potential date. Sign number 4, she notices small details about you. You walk in wearing new shoes, and she says, "Nice kicks. Are those new?" Or maybe you've been hitting the gym, and she casually asks, "Have you been working out more lately?" When a woman notices these small details, it's because she's paying closer attention to you than she does to others. Use this as a chance to keep the conversation going. Say something like, "You've got a sharp eye. Next time, I might need your help picking out running shoes." This keeps things fun and opens the door to spending more time together. Sign number 5, she pretends to need your help. She's perfectly capable of deciding on her coffee order, but she asks, "What's your go-to here? I can never decide." Or at a party, she's rearranging furniture and says, "Can you give me a hand? This is heavier than I thought." This isn't about the task. It's about creating a moment of connection. Help her out, but don't stop there. Say something like, "I've got your back this time, but next time you owe me coffee." It keeps the vibe light while setting up another opportunity to meet. Sign number 6, she reacts strongly to relationship mentions. You casually mention your ex or drop that you're single, and suddenly she's asking follow-up questions like, "How long were you together?" Or making playful comments like, "So you're back on the market, huh?" Her reaction isn't random. She's trying to gauge the playing field. The best way to handle this? Steer the conversation toward the future. Say, "I've been focusing on myself, but I'm definitely open to someone who gets me." That leaves her wondering, could I be that someone? Sign number 7, she brings you thoughtful gifts. You casually mention your favorite coffee, and next time she surprises you with it, saying, "I remembered you like caramel macchiatos." Or she hands you a book you've been meaning to read, saying, "I thought of you when I saw this." These thoughtful gestures show she's paying attention and cares about your happiness. Acknowledge it with playful charm. "Wow, you're spoiling me. Keep this up, and I might start expecting dessert with my coffee next time." Sign number 8, she uses accidental touch. You're sitting next to her, and her knee brushes against yours, but she doesn't move it away. Or she lightly taps your arm while saying, "No way, you actually believe that." Physical touch is a huge sign of attraction. If she's finding reasons to touch you, she's testing the waters. Respond confidently by leaning in slightly or lightly touching her hand as you make a point. Just keep it natural. Don't overdo it. Sign number 9. She includes you in her stories. She's telling you about her trip and says, "You'd have loved the beach there. It's totally your vibe." Or she mentions her weekend plans and casually adds, "You should come next time. It'd be fun." By including you in her stories, she's imagining you as part of her life. Playfully call it out. "So you're saying I'd make a great travel buddy? Sounds like a plan." This shows her you're on the same page. Sign number 10, she mimics your behavior. You notice she starts using your favorite phrases or mirroring your body language. This is called mirroring, and it's a subconscious way of creating connection. Want to test it? Try saying something unique or shifting your posture. If she follows suit, you've got your answer. When you catch her mirroring, playfully say, "Are you copying me? I guess great minds think alike." It's a fun way to highlight the connection and keep things engaging. So there you have it. 10 signs she's waiting for you to make a move. Now, here's your homework. Drop a comment and tell me, have you ever noticed these signs before? Or are you realizing now that someone might be giving you the green light? Type green light in the comments if you're ready to step up your game. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around because the next video might just change your life.